Switching it back up. Remove the seat delete. Gonna switch it up so the kids have more room in the back seat again. I hate moving the fridge back to the back, but we're gonna switch it up with a different fridge. And Top Oak is sending us a different rooftop tent, a 4-person tent. So it'll be a little bit taller, but it's still gonna be the same design, like the same material, the metal, but it's gonna fold out this way again, like my Top Oak tent was like that too. But so we're gonna switch that tent up shortly here. The fridge, we're getting Iceco's new truck fridge that we're gonna put right here. I don't know if it's gonna be this side or this side, but we're gonna make a stand-up fridge work again until we go to the, probably got another year on this, and then we paid off, and then we're gonna switch the truck bed out to like a Mitts alloy or a dirt box. And when that happens, we're gonna sell this, and I can still use my rooftop tent and the fridge with the new setup. So that's the plan. As always, thanks for watching, and a special thank you to my Patreon supporters. If you like these types of videos, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified of new videos. And for the price of a cup of coffee, consider joining my Patreon. This gives you sneak peeks and invites to Patreon-only meetups. Thanks again.